Hello, this here is a traditional canal house in central Amsterdam. The buildings in Amsterdam are inspired by 18th century classicism and modern architecture, developing interesting and organic facades. Because of the lack of space downtown, these houses are mostly narrow and usually not more than 30 feet wide. Many buildings and homes in Amsterdam are taller and narrower than those in the United States. As you can see, this building is very symmetrical. When looking at the different levels, you can tell that they are almost all the same size, just ever so slightly getting larger as you go down in the windows. Vertically, the building is also split into three, also very symmetrical. Above the windows, there are keystones, adding a decorative and classic flair to the exterior facade. Altogether, these elements tie together and bring a sense of traditionalism and classicism into the Dutch culture.